Yo guys, what's up? Moli Bunch, welcome back to yet another reaction. Lero, I keep forgetting how to say listen. Yeah, I'm gonna listen to one of my favorite artists, Rashley, but this is not his song. I think he's being featured on this one. It's MLB Therapy featuring Rashley. Okay, so yeah, if you're here for the first time, Ndimankala kuno ku USA koma ndimachogera ku Botswana. Mulibwanje Azanga, Mulibwanje Antuba Malawi, Zambia, Africa. How are you? Ine Dilubino Bali Bevuto. Let's get to the song, man.
Oh yeah.
MBL. I felt like I said something else. MBL. I felt like I said MLB. Which, yeah, I don't know. Is it in my head? Did I say that? Can I rewind this? Anyway, MBL Therapy featuring Rashley. This is a beautiful video.
Now bring your finger, nikofeka. Wanandika fika. No, ramkanenera. Wawina tema wanga. Kama jeza kasi wutakonekera. Maheta wase yakuvomereza. You're the reason I'll be the papa. Ananga sita temapa. I'll never leave you. Girl, you're my therapy. Yeah, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Yeah, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Yeah, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Paribe sikuringa, tusebosa kamba saiweyo. Saiwe Ninene saparibe, meaza denge malo aweyo. Aiwe Iwe ni number one. Aiwe ni maplani. Paribe anga sunde, saiwe undi anga sume. You're my everything, you make my life complete. Oh yeah. Girl, you're my therapy. My therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Yeah, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy.
Yo, the video location, man. That's a beautiful place. What is going on out there? That's the whole and everything.
Therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Yeah, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy.
Why does it look like they look alike? Am I reading into it so much? It seems like they look alike. Yeah, you know, like I already said, Rashley. I'm gonna try something here. I've been practicing this, but it seems like I'm still and Mozu Kondedwa Antu. I feel like AI is misleading me. Just my favorite artists out there in Malawi. Rashley.
Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Yeah, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Yeah, you're my therapy. Girl, you're my therapy. Mukawa sanga sase, you're my therapy.
Yo, beautiful stuff. 2025. I feel like this is one of those vibes that is like old school-ish, just like pretty chill on the radio type of a thing. And it's just like, you know, yeah, just a chill mood, chill pack video, love song type of a thing. You my therapy. That's all I understood. I feel like there are some words there he said. Anyway, Ziko Mogambere for watching this. Thank you so much for checking this out, man. Yeah, I have nothing much to say. I'll see you guys on the other side.